Most of the compressors that are designed for DIY purposes aren't suitable at all. No matter how hard you try, there will always be some water left in the compressor. Do you know what happens when the compressor lacks any means of removing excess water from its system? It ends up with ugly blisters in an otherwise flawless paint job. To get the desired dry air supply, you need the best water separator for air compressor that can remove all contaminants before it gets to your machines. In addition, such efficient tool can prevent the internal parts from getting rusty and helps keep the performance of the compressor up to the mark. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best water separator for air compressor. So let's get started. Number 5. CrocSee C1.8C.027. The CrocSee presents an air-water separator for air compressor that comes with an automated drain to help you out. While other competitors require you to manually remove the contaminated water, CrocSee filter auto-drain itself whenever there's enough pressure on the line. The unit features a max flow of 26 CFM and has a standard working pressure that ranges from 45 psi to 145 psi. Its max working temperature is approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit, in which it can separate oil from air quite easily. What's the most important factor for you? Price or quality? CrocSee seems to be a champ in both of these worlds. While the price range of this tool comes under a super reasonable budget, the manufacturer makes sure you get impressed by its build quality as well. Made of metal, the top section of this filter is sturdy enough to withstand a long time. In addition, it's designed to work with high pressure while fitting most compressors with its standard 1/4 inch NPT port size. Number 4. Lematec Air Compressor Filter. Only the best water separator for air compressor can give you that opportunity for real. And this is where Lematec kicks in. This air compressor filter provides full protection for your air tools. As a result, your tools get to experience better days while you can concentrate solely on your work at the same time. The ZN312 model from this brand comes with a 1/4 inch inlet that's built to be compatible with even the most complicated layouts. The compact and minimalistic design is quite impressive even if you are a picky chooser. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, zinc and steel, it's fair to say this tool is built to serve you for a long time. The main duty of an inline water separator for compressed air is to expel trapped water, oil and dirt, right? Instead of disassembling the whole thing, you can just press the push button on it and easily discharge of all the contaminants in one go just like that. To help you with the installation part, the manufacturer includes a Teflon tape that measures about 1/2x110 cm in a secure box, so that you can carry it around. Number 3. TAILONZ Pneumatic 1/4 inch Air Water Separator. Don't worry, you won't have to do that when you have the TAILONZ Pneumatic AW2000-02 Air Filter Pressure Regulator to help you out. When air exists a compressor, it's often warm, contaminated and filled with moisture. Along with harming your surrounding environment, it can also shorten the life of your air tools at the same time. Before your air tools get hampered, an air-water separator filter like TAILONZ comes into the rescue by controlling and cleaning it well. The main job of this regulator is to filter out air particles, moisture, dust and other impurities in the air. With a 1/4 NPT-sized air inlet, the filter can handle up to 145 psi quite easily. And the system is super user-friendly as well. Pull the button on the filter, rotate it, and the pressure goes down just like that. TAILONZ comes with a pressure gauge integrated into its system. With 2 units of measurement scales, PSI/MPa, this dial can determine the air pressure accurately. Number 2. Lematec AI303-C1. The best air compressor water separator for painting is the Lematec Airline filter. It is one of the most sought-after inline air filters due to its rich features. With its maximum operating capacity standing at 150 psi, you can rely on its maximum effectiveness. Besides, this air compressor water separator comes with the standard male and female 1/4 inch air inlet, hence, it works with the majority of air tools. Apart from using it as a water separator, you can use it for trapping dirt and oil. What's more, this air compressor filter system has an airflow indicator, so that it will be easy to set up. Its push-button drain valve is a plus, and that is why its cleaning is as easy as ABC. You can remove the filter element, clean it so that you can use it again. Number 1. PneumaticPlus SAF600. If you run a shop where large flows of clean and dry compressed air required to keep machinery or larger tools operating, you need a high-flow compressed air water separator in your system. High flow rates can generate more water that lower airflow rates. A well-designed water separator can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars in downtime and maintenance costs. The PneumaticPlus SAF600 high-flow water separator installed in your air system can be what saves you from those additional costs. These water separators are designed for the task of dealing with water, oil, and particulates in high airflow situations. That was our list of the top 5 best water separator for air compressor just for you.